Deep cleaning explained. Simplifying English phrases. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into the phrase, deep cleaning. This is a term you might hear often, especially in contexts related to hygiene and maintenance. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Deep cleaning goes beyond the surface. It's not just about tidying up, it's a thorough cleaning process. Think of it as the difference between a quick rinse and a detailed scrub. When you deep clean, you're reaching into corners, under furniture, and tackling areas that are often overlooked in regular cleaning. Let's look at some practical examples. In a home, deep cleaning might involve moving furniture to vacuum underneath, cleaning behind kitchen appliances, or scrubbing the bathroom tiles. In a dental context, a deep cleaning might refer to a dentist cleaning below the gum line to treat gum disease. These examples show how the term can be used in different scenarios. Now, let's practice using deep cleaning in sentences. For instance, the hotel rooms undergo a deep cleaning process after each guest leaves. I spent the whole weekend deep cleaning my apartment. These sentences show how the phrase can be incorporated naturally into everyday language. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of deep cleaning. Remember, it's all about thoroughness and attention to detail, whether you're talking about housekeeping or health. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.